How to fix Instagram filters. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram filters easily. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings page on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and then go to the apps again. Now here all what you have to do is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, it will start loading. Scroll down until you find Instagram, click on it like this and then click on force stop. And now here all what you have to do is go down to this permissions option, make sure to enable all the permissions, go back again and this time go to the notifications management, scroll down until you find more settings down here, click on it. It will take you directly to this page. Make sure to disable this pause all options. And now go back and go to the storage, click on clear data, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.